All right, my people. The beef between Flavour and Kcee is not going to end anytime soon. The beef between these two, I don't know what caused the beef. I don't know what's causing their riff. Both are good. Although Kcee said they brought, in fact, Kcee said a lot on this interview that you're about to watch now. I'm not going to just come and break it down for you. I'll just allow you to take a look at the whole interview. He said a lot. He made a lot of points. He made a lot of sense, and he made a lot of nonsense too off the album. So both sense and nonsense they inside this interview. So it's just left for you now to watch and pick the one you want, whether you want the sense or the nonsense. Take a look.
I don't know. I try to remember the exact. So I think it was a song. Flavour did a song with a lady. Then you can't do a song with the same lady. Then the next thing they can call you out. What was that about actually?
Well, I don't know. The truth to be said, that particular incident.
Yeah.
Now, myself, I don't understand them because I don't call anybody out, and I believe say. Nobody call my name and I don't call anybody name for my response. Some people talk
because your response was like you are not the custodian of
course the culture now
of the culture. So why you dey question me the future?
Yeah, you know the truth be saying when some people they expect you to do some certain level, no grow, and they don't write you off, thinking say them be God, and you can't work hard, can't grow, can't they meet up where they no expect you to
meet up,
then go shock. Now what happened that time?
But you're talking about Flavour. You come this music industry before Flavour now. Very much.
Person where them bring my sign. We so bring my sign.
Oh, for real?
Are you playing? So bring a my sign. I'm on the drive home and navigate to the ball. Before I from East come. I was a freaking big boy. So record bring say sign. I say I no one sign.
Was there
I don't see the future. No, I don't see the future at that point.
Okay.
No be say I no want do am. No, I would have loved to.
I've been on that thing get for mine.
No be him. Those were not. But I just think time go tell. You see this time, this life, me I be OG like this. I know they are afraid of anything or to say anything. Time go always tell. The thing is, those who get good hearts, God go always show them mercy, no matter how much.
You feel say some people, they kind of like, especially your peers or your musical colleagues, they kind of like underrate your talent.
2000%. And my humility, now they give them more reason to doubt me.
Because you know the bragado.
I don't need them. But the thing be say, like I always say, time they always prove them wrong. And my work they always prove everybody wrong. You understand? Some of the people who don't tell me face to face say, you know if you do this, you know they don't let her after years and years they don't say sorry.
We mistake.
We be the tea saying at this other side. We be the tea saying that yeah it go happen, but we don't always know saying that you be the man. Sorry.
So you feel say this whole idea of then they would estimate you, they stand for the fact say, oh, your brother they bless, so now the money they actually help
that one follow.
So because they not get it, but you know say one thing about black people man, what you not get, now you go criticize.
God bless you. So that one is one of my major problem.
So money.
Then the first thing say, if I wanted to talk, they saying they wasting brother money. I don't know whether
I don't hear talk like that, my brother.
I don't know whether all this show where they go, whether they see like saying a paper.
That isn't free that they give you.
I don't understand. You understand? But it's okay. Those things don't move me. But the thing be say, when we calculate, make we check and balance them. You understand? Music for me no be competition. You understand? Play everybody's songs. Everybody get different idea, different message, different rhythm, different melody. You know, you feel like A own, you know, like B own. I can never satisfy everybody. But you get people who still die for me. You get people who don't tattoo their name for their body for me.
Kcee,
I dey see am, not even only in Nigeria, even outside Nigeria. I've seen them. I can still bring them out and show you. So it no be everybody I go satisfy. Even as Ronaldo dey now the greatest, so Messi,
everybody.
the greatest, you can't satisfy everybody.
That's I voted today.
God bless you. So me, I know they fear criticism. I know they fear hate. I know they fear dragging, because now dragging then take train me for this industry.
Don't be like every single time
they don't drag me. Make me look like say I don't fail. So I don't even fail again.
Yeah.
Right now, my career, they like the peak of my career, because everything where they get for my career now, I don't get them when I even start.
When you even start.
So to me, this is like the peak of my career.
Truly, I go agree.
So it's just like saying I me get 5-star music.
So why you want to call them?
You understand?
Your boss.
It's not about being bossy or who no be boss. Now me they run 5-star music. Now my brother be e-money. Where your brother? all those people wey go dey talk this way,
yeah, blood,
brother. You know, so me, brotherhood and family is what we don't play with in our family. Not just with us alone. My other siblings, we are so close together, and we all.
How many una be?
We'll be 7.
7.
Any morning at the last born. I lie, a senior person, senior e-money.
Hold on, I lie.
Of course, we'll be 7.
So where did I don't know the rest? So.
Then they. But okay, they do their own thing. No, none of them they do music, but they are doing so well.
Yeah,
everybody's happy and okay.
Sure.
Everybody's married, have their family, doing what they're doing.
That reminds me, talking about marriage. For so long.
I mean, just implicate myself for this interview. I know be the plan. God, I beg. The man no go talk the way. I go the trend in the morning.
No, you go trend the Jesus, but good thing. Kcee for so long deceive us. Say not they married. Yeah, most of us understand because we did entertainment. Because at that time, when you talk say they married, the guest club he be like say he go reduce. So for so long, even he get where we catch Kcee with his wife when he do traditional. Kcee say na movie shoot.
Na movie now. Everything na movie now.
Otti Kcee use him Otti announce.
You know, say growing up, one of big shout out to Daddy Shoki. Now Daddy Shoki teach me that thing. Nine tell me that thing.
Oh, for real?
If I ask you now, you know, say Daddy Shoki they married, right?
Yeah.
You don't ever hear if your wife or seen wife.
Never.
Or, God bless you. Now Shoki advised me that thing. That time he say, my brother come. You know, if you want marry for this thing, you need wife. Oh, you need wife. But if you marry, keep him because then go destroy him. And not let them destroy everybody. Things even in children's school, say they fit go because if you go in children's school that time, they go the heal and they will call the treat children special. And he didn't want
jealous,
it.
And
he want me them grow like normal children. When I may adopt the thing, no be everything. If you see good thing, you go know. So when me I marry, I tell my wife, say, now like this we go run am on.
And your wife agree, but like for
she follow me for Facebook and follow me everywhere. Make sure say you know they follow me. Nobody suspect. Even Timaya will come our wedding. Timaya will be my friend. The get the day where I date Timaya house. My wife called. I thought now I tell Timaya, I say what of your wife? I tell her say leave that woman there. Say now she dey phone. So he say Timaya call her phone. They ask and say wait, I don't know. Your friend left me on. Your friend just leave me. Even Timaya call coffee like I don't bring. I don't understand because we never wanted anybody anybody come in between us because when that marriage they young like that. A lot of we're coming from 2 different places. She they come from another place, and they come from another place. We just can't join. Imagine when somebody come to tell you something way this person don't do last year or 2 years ago. You don't know, or can't cook up something. So we didn't want any negative energy. So what do we do now? Oh yeah.
Cut everybody off.
Everybody stay away. Maybe we stay away. She can't even go abroad. Go stay. You know, when I give birth to my.
You've seen the video. I really do not have any other thing to say, but I'll just play you another clip because. While all of these things are going on, Flavour has not come outside to say anything. If So brought Flavour for you to sign back then, and you did not sign him, and this person goes his own way, struggle, become a superstar at his own level. So what is now the problem? What is now the problem that you guys are actually trying to, you know, squeeze yourself, bring up the issue? Although someone actually said in the comment section that Kcee is trying to bring up this issue so that his album will sell. But whether he's trying to bring it up so that his album will sell or he's trying to bring it up because of another reason, all of these things are not necessary. You two are brothers. Anambra. You are into the same music. Kcee, you are the senior man in the game. Like you said in the interview, you were already driving a Honda or a Hummer in Lagos. Even before Flavour left the East and came to Lagos to hustle. So what is the beef about? What is the beef about? What is the beef? You made your own album. It's selling. Everybody is making their money. All we know in this industry as Igbos is to make money. And on your plan, not hatred. Not you know, I've never seen E-Money at any time in a party ignore Flavour. Neither have I seen Flavour at any time in a party ignore E-Money. He will go, greet him, give him his respect. He has mentioned his name severally on several songs. Is it the production that is causing you people issue? That one have passed. Let's all promote the album on different levels and on different platforms and keep getting their engagement. Let's not allow people come between us. We are all brothers. All of these things we are doing is for their entertainment. Pull the crowd however we want to pull it. Thank you for watching, guys. I've said too much. Just take a look at this clip.